Hello there, my little monkey minions. Monkey Wrench Mike here. We're back at, you know what that means right there. Yeah, this is Copart, and I have walked all the way to the back part of this gigantic lot. Hubba, look at this. Supercharged Audi A7 from 2012. I love these cars. I think they look so nice. So this is not the redesigned. This is the 3-liter supercharged, I believe. 2019 they went to a twin turbo setup. This is the older school, yep, 3.0T A7. Oh, I love the little trunk on these. I love the wheels on this one right here. This is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Damage, I don't see any. Why are you here? I hope it's not mechanical. Why would you, what's a person like you doing hanging out in a place like this? Lost type, front end. I don't see any front end damage, do you? No. Oh man, I love how these look. This hind quarter right here, this is nice. And we have power. Ooh, look at the back seats. Super nice. Smells like cheap aftershave. It does. It really does smell like cheap aftershave. Okay, well, we have power. So let's, it is difficult to get in and out of, I will tell you that. Even Consumer Reports says that. Look at the key. This is a dude's car. A dude who wore a lot of aftershave. Wow. Okay, that's a thing. Oh, I don't know what to say about this. Here we go. Let's push the start. Oh, thank you. Eagle 103.
theeagle.com to find out all the shows.
I think that's old school. Old school rock and roll. Engine sounds good. This was a shorter driver. This seat is all the way up. I love this flat wood where it's not real shiny and covered with, 16 layers of shellac or polymer or whatever it is. I like this look. I really do. I don't know why you're here. What is this? Ooh, look at the speakers. Bang and somebody right there. Nice touch. You got a little moonroof right here. 89,110 miles. Look at the gas. This is cool. Almost half a tank of gas. Oh, this is beautiful. She's idling perfectly. Okay, well, let's take a look at the engine. Yeah, it's dusty. It is really dusty out here. We haven't had rain in a long time. There you go. Nice. Look at the red. Okay, and there's no vibration. I mean, look at how nice. Look how much fun that will be to work on. You don't get a whole lot of room. Oh my goodness. Mikey does like this. Okay, so we know that works. Look at the lights. That's a mean looking face coming at you. Where's the damage? I don't see any. I really don't. Maybe you can point it out to me if you're looking at this from your house. How do we do the trunk? Right here. There we go. Up she goes. Thank you. Nice. Look at how much room you get back here. It's a huge spare in several different languages. Look at that. You know where these cars end up going? Yeah. Okay. Nice. And this, I guess, is your subwoofer. Oh my goodness. You get a little cubby hole right here. What is this? Electronics. Okay. Sweet. This is beautiful. I need an Audi in my life as well. Every car I come out here and look at, I fall in love with. This one is magnificent. Oh gosh. How much is this going to go for, do you think? Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. There you go. She goes in reverse and she goes in drive. I love this. I do. What are we listening to now?
Percentage of your home's equity when you can have it all with Truehold. Let me explain.
Sounds good. Music sounds great. Okay, well, here we go. We're just going to have to walk away because this is one beautiful car and we have many, many more to look at. So, 2012 Audi A7. Beautiful. Thank you very much. And we found her. This is the car I have been looking for. This, of course, the W221 Mercedes is a super high mileage version. It is hunkered down, way down, because it has problems with the suspension. I'm looking at, did this used to have like a tail on it or back? I don't know. Someone put something on her. Sorry about that, little girl. I don't know about the chrome fake AMG wheels. They've seen better days. They're a little dirty. But like I said, this is the one I have been looking for because it's very inexpensive. It's on a buy it now. And I just wanted to come out here and see it like you can do. This is a great example. If you see a car online, come out and check it out yourself so you know exactly what you're getting into. Every Copart allows customers to come out and look at cars. Some of the lots you'll get an escort. Some of the lots you can come out on a certain day and a certain time. It all depends on the general manager. But this is what you need to do. I've always wanted the white with the brown on the inside, and there's a lot of wear. There is a ton of wear. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, let's just kind of see what's happening here because it is dirty. Oh my goodness. This is letting go. At least it still works. This has come off. So this is broken. That's okay. What does this look like in here? Okay, that works. Does that work? Yep. Cup holders, please. Thank you. Mine were broken just like that in my S63 AMG. This is nice. This is a 2007. By the way, have I even said what it is? It's an 07 Mercedes S550. Lost type is side damage. I don't know why. Look how dirty this is. Ugh. Ugh. I don't know. Did a firebender drive this? And he was still kind of flaming in his hands when he was... I don't know. By the way, I've been watching Avatar on Netflix or whatever it's on. Let's take a look under the hood. See what she's got. Oh my goodness. Okay. I love the white. I don't see side damage. I mean, the front... Maybe your wheel is in the back. I don't know. Look how much room you get here. Look how much room. Look how far back the front seats are too. This door is gigantic. Now on the S63, you had curtains for your side windows and one for the back. You don't get the side windows here. I think my seats adjusted as well. It was just loaded to the brim. And it had 190,000 miles, I think, if I remember right. Any ideas on how much this one might have? Take a look at the engine and we'll let you see. Okay, come on. I don't like a painted grille like that. I really don't. She's been sitting for a while. Look at how nice this is. Check the oil. Oil looks good. There's a lot in there. Okay. We have a battery here. We have a battery in the back. This is super nice. Okay. Take a guess on the mileage. What do you think right now? Okay. See all the wear and tear? Somewhere we have a leak in our air suspension. I don't know. Here we go. Come alive. Please come alive. So this is what she looks like. And that's her mileage right there. 289,635 miles. Yeah. And she's not going to try to start force. Now, is she? Let's see if we can pop the trunk. Okay. Let's just kind of let everything work for a while. See how this is moving? It's trying to find the time. Yeah, she's not trying to start right now. We'll let that kind of juice up. We'll take a look at the back. There you go. Oh, okay. Well, there's your wheel. Ha! There is your other wheel. And it's kind of damaged a little bit, but I think you could save it. Absolutely, you could save it. Let's kind of put it over here. Here we go. We got your jack right under there. I mean, does it look like a 290,000 mile car? I think so. I really do. Uh-oh. He just carried off a Mercedes. I was looking at that car. Maybe somebody bought it. Maybe they did. Okay. There's just not enough power. I can't get her to do anything. Shoot. So now this becomes a great big risk. Is this something I would be interested in or not? 289,635 miles. Who's going to buy a car like that after me? Who's as dumb as me? Well, we have tried all I can think of. And she's not going to start. So I don't have access to what I need to get access to, and she's not going to start for. So if I could turn back time, no, it's moving forward. There you go. I can't decide. What should I do? It's a very low buy it now price, very low. But who's going to drive it other than me? Who will want a car with 290,000 miles? I don't know. I really don't know. If I sold a couple of e-bikes, I could do it. Absolutely. Anyway, let me know what you think about this car and the other cars. And of course, give me a subscription or 2 or 3. Tell your friends all about Monkey Wrench Mike. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please like, please leave a comment. Should I take a huge risk on this car or not? I mean, if there's anybody that could get it back on the road, it's me. But if it's something very seriously wrong with the engine, or it's listed as mechanical, and that could be just the suspension. It could be. It doesn't say anything. There's a claim number. I don't know. We're going to do some more research and decide. But let me know what you think about this car and the others in the video. All right, everybody. Have a great day, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Okay? Like they say in England, ta-ta.